A point P, Q rotated anti-clockwise theta about origin gives P cos theta minus Q sin theta, P sin theta plus Q cos theta. For theta pi, this simplifies to A minus P, minus Q, B, P, minus Q, C, minus P, Q, D, Q, P. Answer A. The line x equals to rotated anti-clockwise 90 degree about the origin becomes A, y equals to B, y equals minus 2, C, x equals minus 2, D, y equals x. Answer B. Under a rotation minus 90 degree about origin, which mapping is correct? A, x, y maps to minus y, x. B, x, y maps to y, minus x. C, x, y maps to minus x, minus y. D, x, y maps to x, minus y. Answer B. Rotating 3, minus 4 anti-clockwise 90 degree about origin gives A, 4, 3, B, minus 4, minus 3, C, 4, minus 3, D, minus 3, 4. Answer A. A point A, B rotated anti-clockwise 90 degree about origin gives minus 2, 5. Find A plus B. A 3, B 7, C minus 3, D minus 7. Answer A. A shape rotated 90 degree clockwise about minus 1, 0. A point originally at 3, 2 moves to A 1, minus 4, B minus 3, 2, C 1, 4, D minus 5, 2. Answer A. Rotating minus 4, 1 anti-clockwise 90 degree about 1, 2 translate center to origin minus 5, minus 1 rotate 1, minus 5 translate back 5, minus 3. What is x coordinate of image? A 2, B minus 3, C 1, D minus 5. የዚህን ጥያቄ መልሱን ኮሜንት ላይ አስቀምጡልኝ። ያልገባችሁ ነገር ካለ ሌላ እንድሰራላችሁ የምትፈልጉት ፖርሽን ካለ ኮሜንት ላይ መጻፍ ትችላላችሁ። ቪዲዮ ከተመቻችሁ ላይክ፣ ሼር፣ ሰብስክራይብ ማድረግ አትርሱ። መልካም ጊዜ